Welcome to 30 on 3D, and happy Valentine's Day. To celebrate, we're sharing some love letters our team has received throughout the year. This one comes from manufacturing in Mission Viejo, who has shared a lot of memories with his F900. Oh, Fortus 900, how I love you so. First, you are big, sexy, and bold. Of all the Stratasys FDM 3D printers, you are the fastest and can print huge parts. At the same time, your ball screws make you extremely accurate and precise. Your hot oven enables the reliable printing of high temp materials, including Antero 800 NA and ULTEM 1010, which is so attractive because it gives you the most materials available of all your brothers and sisters. In addition, you are trustworthy and reliable, and are known to print parts for over 100 or even 200 hours. I've seen you in many places over the years, including aerospace companies, automotive design studios, and even US Navy MRO shops. You are the only printer which can print certified ULTEM 9085 flight parts, and most recently, I've seen you in shops printing Nylon 12 carbon fiber tooling. You've aged like fine wine, Fortus 900, and you just keep getting better. I look forward to the golden years with you. Yours truly, manufacturing in Mission Viejo.